Any of the issues that I'm asked to deal with in terms of maritime law involving shipping, fishing vessels, the likes of that, I have been in a similar circumstance myself at some stage. So I know what the people would have experienced. I understand the issues straight off, but that doesn't take away from the fact that I still need to work very hard to understand the issues, to research and to respond in a timely manner. And of course, this is something which has been augmented by the advent of Brexit. If you consider this country now, if you consider the city in which I live in, Cork, it's actually the second largest English-speaking city within the European Union at this moment. Dublin is the largest. And as I said, everything that we use has to be shipped here. This is becoming increasingly important after Brexit, when we've had to open up new ferry routes to bring agricultural produce back and forth. And also in terms of course, our newfound reliance on non-carbon based industry, which is going to be wholly reliant on the maritime sector. So we are an island nation, and we're also a nation which relies very much on the sea for many aspects of our life, certainly many aspects of our industry. If you consider Ireland, we've come from being an agrarian society quite recently. So we're a country which never really had a large-scale industrial revolution. So if you consider many of the things that we actually use within this society, within our industry, they're not actually produced inside in Ireland and must be shipped. So by way of example, if you drove here today, if you drove to wherever you're going today, that car was brought in on a ship. We don't manufacture cars in Ireland. We don't even mill the steel to make cars. If you cycled here today, well, the components of the bicycle, they were also brought here on a ship. To paraphrase the Al Pacino Jimmy Hoffa character in The Irishman, if you got it, a ship brought it to you on this island.